Okay.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is Flora from IVEN from Tech.
Hello everyone, this is IVEN. Nice to meet you here.
We are so happy to see you here today, and you are warmly welcome to IVEN from Tech Lunch Show.
Yeah, welcome to here. Our company, Shanghai IVEN, we are the most professional pharmaceutical equipment manufacturer, and we are the experienced pharmaceutical turnkey project provider. For our turnkey solution, it not only includes the filling line, also included the clean room, pharmaceutical water treatment, solution preparation, sterilizer, packing line, pipeline system, lab test instrument, and also included the utilities such as the air compressor, boiler system.
Yeah, we have already got 20 projects from A to Z for pharmaceutical plants in different countries. These projects mainly for IV solution in bags and also in bottles. We also have injectable vials, ampoules, tablets, and capsules. So to work with IVEN for the turnkey projects, you only need to have your building construction ready. All the rest in the production workshop, we can supply you one shop service. In addition, we have a very professional engineering and after-sales team. Most of our engineers, they have more than 15 years or even more than 10 to 20 years experience in pharmaceutical factory. So our profession and quality will help you get GMP or FDA certificate very easily. To work with IVEN means work with reliability. We can help you succeed in the shortest time.
Yes. So today we will focus on our injectable wire production line. I hope through our introduction, you will know more about IVEN quality machine. For the automatic wire filling line is included 4 machines: ultrasonic washing machine, sterilizing and drying panel, filling and storing machine, and also the capping machine.
So Evelyn, I guess many customers they want to know what size IVEN going to do.
Yeah, for the wire filling line is applied for the wire size from 2 ml till the 30 ml. So for customer, you only need to change the specification part and realize the different size wire common production in same line.
So how about the production capacity?
Yeah, for IVEN machine, we have very wide range for the production capacity for your selection. Such as we have very small solution, small production capacity, such as for the 50 to the 100 bottles per minute. And also we have high production capacity, such as for the 300, 400, 500 bottles per minute, according to your real demand.
It's really wide range for the customer to choose. And also especially for our overseas customers, most of the countries have less population. So I'm pretty sure this small capacity will be very popular.
Yes.
So also which kind of products IVEN filling line can produce?
Yeah, for our wire filling line, we can use to fill the common liquid and powder. We can also use to filling the lyophilizer product, vaccine, oncology, this type of products. We already sold a lot of our line to international markets, such as in Turkey, in South Korea, in Thailand, Vietnam, Pakistan, Uzbekistan. Yeah, even USA customer choose our filling line.
Really? If you even search USA, I'm pretty sure they have very high requirement on the quality.
Yeah, for our least USA customer, they really have very critical quality requirements. But after indeed a long-term technical exchange with our engineer, after investigation about our line performance, finally they choose IVEN as their reliable, effective wire filling line partner in China.
IVEN is doing brilliant job. Congratulations.
Yes. So let us already finish a brief general idea about IVEN. So let us go one by one introduction for our machine.
Yeah. So now let's build the first machine for our wine production line. This is our ultrasonic washing machine to wash the pharmaceutical vials or ampoules. Here we have the mesh belt. This will make an amplifier to this pre-washing station. The pre-washing station we use ultrasonic and water together. After pre-washing, the vial or ampoules will be conveyed through the odor in sequence orderly, and then to the lifting device. Here we all have special material to make sure the broken rate is with the limitation, the minimum limitation. After that, the lifting device will turn the ampoule or vial mouth down and ready to go to the main washing station.
Yeah, Flora, I think many customers they have questions about how our washing machine to ensure after washing the cleanness of the wire and ampoule.
That's a good question. Actually, for our washing station, we have 3 times water washing and 4 times air washing to clean the ampoule of also 3 times the air washing. You can see spraying needles. We have different groups. First, we will use water to wash both the inside and outside of the virus. After that, it will go to the air compressor cleaning. Again, then we will have the second circulation water to push in, washing the inside and the outside of the wire. After that, we will have the air compressor load the bottles again. Then we have the injection water to clean the inside of the wire. Finally, we have another 2 stations with air, clean air to clean both the inside and the outside of the wire. All this, we have totally 7 groups of spray needles to clean the wires. In addition, for all our clean media, no matter for circulation water, injection water, or air compressor, they're all equipped with terminal filter. You can see here, it's the USA power filter to clean and make sure our clean media is clean enough.
Yeah, I think after this complete wash, the wire will be very clean.
Yeah.
So since the WFI also very expensive, how is our design to reduce the WFI consumption?
Yeah, for injection water, as it will use a lot of injection water, our machine has the design of the degrade of the injection water, and then it will be recycled used to wash the bottles as circulation water. What's more, we have for the injection water and the clean air compressor, they will working and spray respectively. So it also can further reduce the consumption of both the injection water and the clean compressed air.
Yeah, I see for our washing machine, there are so many mechanical design. There are so many manipulators. I see this wire up and down, up and down. How is the machine wire broken rate? How is the maintenance? Is easier?
Yeah, it's quite easier. Why? Because for our machine, we are using full servo driven. That means all the needles, the action, they are running very stably and very accurately. And also our manipulator, they have the design of double open system. So the wire or the ampoule can be clamped accurately. Even when the needle is inserted into the ampoule or wire inside, this is also driven by servo motor to give more accurate positioning. This also can avoid the mismatch of the needle or the needle to be destroyed or the ampoule or wire to be broken. All this can control our broken rate. Even for the ampoule, which is very easy to get broken, we can control the rate within 0.1%.
Oh, it's very less broken rate, very less.
Yeah. What's more, for our machine, we have very nice human-oriented design. So you can see this protection cover. Normally, maybe for other company, you need to move it manually for the future maintenance. But for our company, here We only need to press the button, and then this cover will be automatically lifted up or lifted down. So it will be very easy for your future if you want to do any maintenance or you want to change any spare parts or like this. Also, for the PLC system, we have 3 levels of passwords, so it can keep the safe operation among different operation levels. We all use the USB for PLC and touch screen. But also, if you want to use Siemens, we also can equip and supply you. Finally, for our washing machine, we have the linear outputting system, so it can further reduce the dead angle of the machine running, and also it can further reduce the broken rate of the finished ampoule or vial washing. We also have the discount automatic counting system to calculate how many vials are already washed. So this is some brief introduction about our ultrasonic washing machine.
Yeah, I think for our machine, from the beginning design concept, we are always concerned about customer concern. We are always stand on customer side to design our machine for convenience operation in customer.
Sure. So Evelyn, can you please give us more introduction about our sterilizing and design machine?
Yes. This is our laminar flow sterilization tunnel. It's used for wash the vial, dry sterilization, and remove the paragen. This machine is included 3 working areas. The first one is preheating area. The second one is the high temperature heating area. The third area is the cooling area. The highest temperature for our sterilization tunnel can reach to 320 to 350 degrees. The efficiency sterilization time is around 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. And also for our machine, the complete drying and sterilization process is operated under real-time monitoring, always the Class A laminar airflow protection. What's more, for our machine, you can adjust the speed by the change the motor speed and rotation the speed of the mesh belt. Yeah.
So for the mesh belt, because it's very long mesh belt and lots of wires on the side, how can you make sure the cleanness of the mesh belt?
Yeah, for our drying machine, we have designed ultrasonic belt washing device. So it can realize the ultrasonic automatic clean the mesh belt. So it can solve the mesh belt cleaning problem, especially for the back side of mesh belt cleaning.
This is further rest assured about the customer concern. And also, if I saw is it used the application?
This is our vision window. You can see we have already enlarged. This observation window is in our preheating area and also in our cooling area. We also equip with the observe light so that during machine running, you can see very clearly the inside condition of wire.
And I can see lots of wires inside. And how about if the wire gets broken because it's lots of movement inside? What shall we do for the broken glass?
Yeah, for our machine, for high temperature and also the cooling area, we have equipped with a drawer. This drawer can be stretched out so that inside the glass residue you can be removed easily. And also for our driving machine, we have equipped with automatic adjust the input air by the high efficiency filter resistance to realize the very perfect operation condition. Besides of this, we also set the high temperature protection in high efficient filter. So when the temperature is higher than the setting for our machine, we can realize automatic cut off the heater power to protect the filter.
And also, as you mentioned, there are three zones for the preheating and high temperature sterilizing, and also cooling zone. How do you make sure the airflow will not flow from one zone to another to make sure the air pressure inside?
Yeah, for the air pressure, if it's disordered, it's very a big problem. So for our machine, we have air pressure automatic balancing system. So when the environment air pressure is changed, the air pressure in our each zone, it can automatically balance according to the change of environment air pressure.
I see. Now I understand.
So we just have a general idea about the driving tunnel. Let us move to the key machine of our wire feeding line, feeding and storing machine.
Yeah. Now please follow us. Actually, I'm very fond of introducing you this machine. It's the key machine of the biofilling line, and also it's the heart. For our wire filling and storing machine, we have very nice design here for the filling of wires. The wires can be moved smoothly and quickly. Also, our machine, very important is our filling and storing machine is also driven by full stop water. That means no matter for wire conveying or for the wire filling or storing, the full process is driven by stable water, which will give you more accurate and more stable running. After filling, we will have the tracing system. So when during filling process, the liner is keep on running as well. It can also reduce our production capacity. Also for the storing, we have the semi storing and also fully storing for different products. After, if for the unqualified ampoules, if for the unqualified buyers, it will be rejected automatically through our unqualified channel. For the qualified products, it will go through the outputting channel and go to the capping station.
Yeah, so Flora, how about our machine feeding accuracy, and how about which kind of feeding pump we are using? I think most of the customers, they are very concerned about this.
Yeah, this is absolutely important. For our feeding line, we are using 7
Realize online waiting system.
Yeah, you have a very good question. For our machine, we actually have two options for online weighing system. If the customer requires a very high technology, we have 100% online weighing system. That means all the wires that will be weighed before or after filling. For the unqualified, it will be rejected automatically. But if customers they're concerned about the high cost or they don't need so high technology, we have another option ready. We call it a sampling weighing system. We only take about 1% of wires and then to weigh it before and after filling. So it can still the different requirements.
Yeah, and also for this kind of effective feeding, the environment control is so important. So because we most of more operators compared to the past, but we
You can see here for our machine, the feeding line and stopping line were already equipped with air food. We also have the protection gloves. Here, during the normal operation, we will have the gloves here. So the operator only need to make the some poison or inside, then we may change this, we call it the old rocks. We may change the old rocks to those rocks or even higher standard like isolator. This can make the isolation from the products and with the operator to keep the safe operation of our operators.
Yes, all right. As you have mentioned for the semi-stoppering and also the full stoppering, what is the difference?
I show you. Here you can see in my hand, I have two types of stopper. This is for the common ejection wire, and this is the biggest stopper. Actually, it's used for lyophilizer products. If you just produce the common ejectable wire, or we just use our machine to make the fully stopping, and then it will go to the heavy station. But if you want to make lyophilizer products, our machine will just make semi-stopping, and it will give some gas to these wires will be conveyed to the freezing dryer, and the freezing dryer will take the vapor inside and then make the fully stopping in the freezing dryer. So this is also different products.
Yeah, very good. So I see there are different kinds of rubber stopper. As a professional company project provider, do you have any suggestion for customers which kind of rubber they want to buy? They need in-house cleaning or not?
Normally for wire products, the manufacturer already makes the cleaning before sale. So if the customer wants to produce the wire, then with the terminal sterilization, they just buy the common stopper or cap. But if they want to produce the aseptic products, then we suggest you to buy additional stopper or cap washing machine in your factory to make sure the cleanness of all the raw material before filling. Did this answer your question?
Yeah, you have fully knowledge about experimentation about filling machine.
Please don't forget that we do 20 projects, so we have full experience for whatever your question in the pharmaceutical factory, you can come to us.
Yeah.
So evening, so you can introduce us more for the filling machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so please follow us.
Yeah, this is our wire cutting machine. You can see for the touch screen or use the AB brand. And all this cutting machine is under laminate air flow protection. It can realize the continuously feeding for the cap and for the wires, and taking up and training, and also at the same time rolling the cap. After completion, you can see all the sides of the wire are all the same, and it's very smoothly and also very good appearance. And also for our cutting head, the material we use special alloy processing. It can increase the abrasion resistance. For our cutting machine, it's very high speed and also very less worker rate. We can realize 0.01%.
Oh, it's very good.
Yeah. And for our cutting machine, we have automatic counting the output system. Even when you setting the output in advance, when our machine reach your setting output, it will automatically keep and stop the machine. All the parameters is will displayed on our touch screen.
So, because there are lots of cutting stations here, I wonder if there are any unqualified taps. So what shall we do?
Yeah, for our cutting machine, we have consists of qualified and unqualified photo outfeeding channel. When the identified unqualified photo give the signal to the PLC, the vacuum suction plate it will open and start the unqualified photo and convey to the unqualified photo outfeeding channel. For the qualified photo, it will continuously convey to the qualified follow-up feeding channel. Yes.
Yeah. For unqualified and this is for qualified farmers. And I also have a concern because during the operation for the test, it's mainly use the aluminium or plastic. So during packing, definitely it will generate lots of aluminium dust or the plastic particles. How should we make sure the cleanness in this machine inside during packing?
Yeah, it's for our machine. We have aluminum dust collecting device. So it has a negative pressure suction structure in our cutting machine. It's very for remove the aluminum dust. In our full machine, we are fully covered in a negative suction structure during cutting area. So it can remove the aluminum dust automatically to ensure this cutting area is under laminar flow protection.
That's very good. So usually IVEN machine is designed based on customer's concern and the customer requirements.
Yes.
Okay. So now you already have a general idea about how IVEN fire line moving, and I'm pretty sure you are now concerning about the documentation, because documentation is also very important part for the machine. I can tell you to work with the IVEN because we already done so many 20 projects and we already export hundreds of equipment to more than 50 countries. We have fully experience in documentation, no matter for the which fully include the IQ, OQ, PQ, DQ, FAT file, and ACT file, also the installation manual, operation manual, and the maintenance manual. Even for the PID drawing and the spare parts list, we can give you full range of documentation. This can help you get a GMP or FTA certificate easily.
Yeah, what's more, for our IVEN wire feeding line, the key component, we all choose the international brand. You can see for the touch screen, for the PLC, for the servo motor, we all choose USA AB brand. If also you want Siemens, we can also change for you. For our leaf feeding line, we choose the ceramic pump. If you want other which type of metering pump or ceramic pump, we also choose the very best brand was the metal. Yeah. For the high efficiency filter, we choose the Germany Cofield brand. For the circulation water pump, we choose the Brandford brand. Also for the transmitter pressure gauge, we choose the USA Galway brand. So all of our list food configuration can ensure our machine very good quality, high performance, and very long-term reliable running for years. Exactly. I can see for IVEN machine, we are really using the top brand, the top international brand. So no matter the customer wants to buy any spare parts, they can find locally. Yeah.
Yes, very easily. So, yes. I think that today we already have a rough idea about our machine. Now let's invite our engineer, Mr. Yan, to run the machine for us so we can see more clearly about the extra machine running. Please follow us.
We will start from our washing machine.
First, from the washing machine.
machine running, you see very less noisy, very easily to running the machine. So you are not worried about very complicated on our machine. Thank you for your time joining our IVEN Lab show. We are thank you a lot for your time. Appreciate it a lot for your concern. If you have any inquiry, if you have any interest in IVEN machine, please contact with us.
Yeah, last but not least, please, we want to let you know that now we are still in the special discount season. So this is the last week. Please catch the chance. From early August until now, already sold several customers bought the production line from us at very good discount. If you are ready to buy the machine, if you are ready, please do let us know. The very good discount is waiting for you.
Yeah, please hurry up. Time is not waiting for anyone. So if you are interested in our line, and also we have another production line, let us go to the second part. My colleague, Bella and Lisa, they will introduce to you another feeding line.
Yeah, please follow us. This is our factory. I'm sorry, now it's night time. It's almost midnight in China. So you can see the outside. This is our another workshop for filling line. And our company, we are specialized in pharmaceutical filling line. And as we mentioned, also 20 projects. So if you have any inquiry or any interest about pharmaceutical projects or production line, please do let us know. We thank you so much today for your time. We think that our profession and experience will help you and let you know more about IVEN and know more about what we can do for you. Thank you and see you later. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. This is Lisa. Me and Bella will introduce the post. Protection shell, there is a solid drug inside and giving to body channel. So at normal temperature, it's solid, but after giving to body with the body temperature, it will be softened and become to the solution and release the medicine inside our body. So, and this product have a very big market at China, also the worldwide market. And for example, used for the children anti-fever medicine and other areas. So let's back to our production line. According to different market and customer factory workshop area, we have a different design for different capacity, from minimum 4,500 pieces per hour to 11,000 to 12,000 pieces per hour, 15,000 pieces per hour, and next to 18,000 pieces per hour. So as a buyer, you can choose a suitable capacity according to your market situation and your workshop area. And we can see the whole line. The design is very compact and with small occupied size and fit your size of the workshop. And the whole line just needs 2 to 3 operators with the labor cost also. And we can see the whole system controlled by the servo system and with Siemens, PLC, and the HMI control. And also we use the Schneider for the servo system. For our suppository production line, we have start from the forming station, then
static electrical removing station, filling station, cooling station, two-state preheating and sealing station, fast food preheating station, and triangle and the dotted line parking station, then waste edge parking station, then counting and auditing station. So let's see one by one. We start from here, the first stage. The PVC and the PE packaging material shipped into the forming station. And here is preheating, then forming. We use coupon mode for the forming mode. And with this coupon material, the mode can use very long life usage. And also the temperature heating very even to make the shell forming very useful with good efficiency. And as we know, plastic material, and after the machinery running, we'll have the static electrical. More static electrical will make the solution look very not smoothly, and too much static electrical. When filling the solution will spray on the filling nozzle, will impact the filling accuracy, and also later when sealing the tank is very difficult for sealing. So we have this static electrical removing device to protect for the static. And we can see here the cleaning station. For here cleaning station, we use the longer pump for the filling and with very high precision. The precision is about plus minus 2%. And the whole system is short by servo system. And we can see here we want to change the filling volume just to check the HMI. And also behind of the filling station there is a mixing tank to fill in the solution material. Also we can see there's a motor at the top of the tank. But the motor is covered with a stainless steel box. So there's protect for the solution. When the motor used sometimes, maybe there is some particles falling down the tank. So with cover, it's very easy for cleaning and maintenance. Also protection for the solution. Near the filling station, you can see there's a very strong light here. What's the function for this strong light? For this light. So after filling, what happens if there's one piece is unqualified? So we hit with this detection. When there's one piece without filling, then this light will detection and also will make the mark like this. There's a hole under the product. Then this pieces, after go to the final station, it will be rejected to make the product with high qualified grade. After the filling, because it's a solution, then the cooling system will make the product become to the solid. What's the advantage for our cooling system? There are 5 points. The first point is we use continuous circulation water cooling system. This is our patent design to make the solution coagulate and become too solid. Additionally, we use the gradient temperature control system. The temperature is not the total thing for all the cooling systems. It's gradient temperature. So when cooling the solution, the forming of the solid is very stable and there's no residual solution left on the edge of the product. And compared with other factory and the traditional chain-based transfer, we use the different type design. You can see from here, we only have the wheel at the two sides of the chamber, and at the middle part, It's not a chain transfer. We use the stainless steel and aluminum plate. Very easy to cleaning, and there's no situation for compare with the traditional type. For the chain type, after some time, the chain will have the particle, and the particle always contact with the product. It will have the risk to make the pollution for the product because now the product is not sealed, it's with open head. But for our system, there's no pollution for this situation. And also for the traditional type, the chain plate, after we use sometimes the chain plate, they need make the maintenance with oil for the chain plate. Also, the oil will always contact with the product. This is another risk for the pollution. But for our system, we make the chain system is under the table. So there's no chain system in this chamber. And when we make the maintenance, just under the table. So there's no any pollution for the product. And we can see the whole system. We use also several system control. So the whole running is stable and very also adjustable for the speed. You can adjust the running speed according to different products. So now, after the solution comes to solid, then we need to make the head sealing. So following the cooling station, we have a two-stage preheating and sealing system. Compared with one-stage preheating, our two-stage is more efficiency for the heating and saving the energy. Also make the forming with the perfect efficiency. After forming, there's a batch code printing like this with the batch code and the production date. So here is the batch code printing station. And every day the batch code is different. So also when we produce the machinery, the batch code number is adjustable. So you can change the code for every batch production. And this station is for the triangle, axis triangle, and the dotted line cutting station. So in order to the final user, they need very easy for tearing the product. So we have this station to make the cutting with the triangle and the line, dotted line. And the triangle point with the line, they are in the same line. So make the user, they are very easy to tear like this. Very easy. And after we finish the product, now we need cutting the head with the edge. So this station is cutting the with the edge. And with the line, we go to the outside through this pipeline. And the finished product will go through here. Here is the counting and the group cutting. As we know, when we finish the product, we take in the supposedly. It must be like 5 pieces or 6 pieces, one group. So here is cutting the group, screw. And also, if you remember, introduction, there is a detection after filling. Then there is a hole for the unqualified product. So this kind of unqualified product group will be rejected here. So unqualified group will reject through the downside, and qualified group will go up through here to make sure the high qualified rates for the production. Okay, now I finished the English introduction. Let's welcome my colleague Bella to introduction by Russian language.
Уважаемые друзья, я Белла. Сейчас я объясню вам эту линию по-русски. Эта линия мы создали всегда. Если вы посмотрите, вся эта линия очень компактная. эта линия с разные производители носки. 4050 и 50050 и 18050. Это линия только перспектива с 23 наверх. Если красного одного штата, это линия магазина, но передается прямом изготовления изделия, поэтому очень срок службы и ровные межные нагрев, поэтому получаем очень хороший эффект формата. За это трюки из PVC, когда формировать будет генерировать статические открытия, поэтому наполнение и поставили эту станцию для хранения электричества.
I should help you for the better voice of the customer. Okay, I help you.
Перед наполнением мы используем эту станцию для устранения электричества, статического электричества, потому что статическое электричество приведет к ухудшению текучества жидкости и появилась вредность, поэтому надо поставить такую станцию. И эта станция для наполнения. Мы используем это ежедневные насосы, очень высокая точность наполнения, плюс-минус 2%. И мы используем это сервоуправление, поэтому работать очень побольше стабильней. После наполнения мы поставили эту станцию для если эта форма некрасивая, мы будем делать отметку теста. Поэтому в конце концов, когда идет это брак автоматически выбросить. Давайте дальше. Это станция для окрашения с помощью невровые утилирующие воды. И как вы видели, мы использовали придатные колеса. И все прицепы внизу поставили, поэтому смазки прицепа не будет загрязить продукцию. И поверхность очень легко и для чистки. И мы используем постельные окрашения, чтобы получилось лекарство без остатки. Все эта система управления сервомодом. И это последняя станция. Мы используем 2 раза носки. Например, это первый раз носки, это второй раз носки, а потом делаем добавку, чтобы получилась хорошая эффективность. Или после добавки мы делаем печать с целью производства. И потом здесь эта станция для реализации открытки. Мы используем треугольные ножи и текучные ножи, чтобы резать. Самое главное это треугольные и текучие разрывы полностью совпадают, чтобы очень легко резать. И эта станция для реализации кромки получилась красивая продукция. И это канал для готовой качественной продукции. Если брак, мы будем здесь выбрать. Сейчас мы посмотрим, как эта линия работает.